Unboxing kami.
So, we're gonna unbox photo card.
Yeah.
So, this is gonna be for us.
Yeah. So, uy, may nakasulat na for you.
So, look what we got.
Ano, Tagalog?
This is what I found. So, my classmates give it to me last
No, it's not mine.
before.
Did you
Eh.
know it's not mine?
Okay, we're gonna open. So, it's open now. So good. The look is so good. So, we're gonna add some. Oh, I saw Beanie. So, this is Beanie.
That's Beanie and this.
And this is Beanie.
It's a
Beanie
Lego.
Aya. It's so good. Beanie Aya. And Blackpink Rose. This is Rose. Okay. So, another Beanie. Beanie X Jollibee. So, this is Beanie Sheena. And, so, this is Beanie again. And this is Beanie Colette. And then, so this is Barbie. This is Barbie. Barbie again. Barbie again. Barbie again. And, sino ba to? So this is Jenny or Rose. I think Rose. So this is Jenny and Lisa. So it's done, guys. The unboxing, photo card, and llama card. Bye bye.